Hey everyone, welcome back to Curries to Cakes. So, I was watching this amazing movie, The Lunchbox, and I felt like I should make this recipe. So, yeah, I made it and it came out very well, and I'm sharing it with you guys so that you too can make it. I recently bought this new tiffin box for my husband, and it's amazing. I'm not endorsing this brand. Truly, it's amazing. Like, the food was warm for a good 5 hours. So yeah, the feedback was good. So I'm just using the same tiffin box to show you. So I'm using the same tiffin box to mimic the scene from the lunchbox. And yeah, Irrfan Khan is a great actor, and may his soul rest in peace. And if you haven't watched this movie, then do watch it to celebrate his work. It's a great movie. So then let's start with the recipe. So it's called Paneer Kofta or Malai Kofta. So take equal parts of paneer and boiled potato. I have taken 1 cup each. Paneer I have crumbled, and potato, as you can see, it's already mashed slightly. Now add paneer to this potato and mash them together. Make sure there are no big lumps. Now add salt to taste, approximately 1 teaspoon, green chilli 1, which is finely chopped, ginger 1 teaspoon, which is again finely chopped. Now add 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour. So this is to absorb the moisture which is present in paneer. Now add all your favorite nuts and raisins, approximately 1/4 cup. I have used cashew nuts, almonds, pistachios and raisins, which are like roughly chopped. Now mix all these together. It forms like a dough. Now take small amount and make a lemon sized roundels. In the meantime, heat the oil. So you need to make these and keep ready. Now we'll deep fry these. Coat these roundels in Maida and gently place them into the hot oil. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon beside so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now until they start to color, do not touch them. Just keep agitating the oil. These koftas are very soft and delicate, so you don't want to break them. When they form a nice color, then you can start rolling it. So while making the roundels, make sure you tightly roll them. Otherwise, as shown above, those will split in the oil and it'll be a big mess and your entire recipe flops. So this is what happened to me, so I'm sharing it with you guys. And make sure there is no moisture in the dough. Fry them until you get that golden brown color as shown in the video. For more information, don't forget to check the description box below. So yeah, now transfer these koftas onto a kitchen towel to remove the excess oil and keep them aside until we use it. Now we need some whole spices to make the curry. I have taken 1 teaspoon of Shahi Jeera, 1 bay leaf, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 4 cloves, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 black cardamom, 3 green cardamom, and 1 inch of cinnamon stick. Now into the pan of 1 teaspoon of oil, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Allow all the butter to melt properly. Now add in all these spices. and saute on low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until you get that nice aroma. Now add 1 cup of diced onion and mix it well. Cook on medium heat until the onions turn translucent. Don't cook them too much, you don't want to brown the onions. The kofta curry is light in taste and on the sweeter side. Now add 1 green chilli which is chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Now give it a quick mix. Now add half cup of cashew nuts and give it a quick mix. Add about half a cup of water and mix this properly. Add salt to taste. Make sure you don't add too much. We can check it later and adjust the seasoning. Give it a good mix and allow it to cook on medium heat until the cashews soften for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now switch off the stove and allow this to cool down to room temperature. Once it's cooled down, add this into a blender jar. And blend it to a smooth paste. Add 1 cup of water to just lighten the mixture. Now strain this mixture into the same pan using a sieve. In between, add half a cup of water to strain it properly. Once it's nicely strained, add 200 grams of tomato puree. You can also use fresh tomatoes, but make sure to add it once the onions turn translucent and cook them until the tomatoes become mushy and soft, and then you can blend it along with the onions. So yeah, give it a quick mix. Cover it and cook on medium-low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now open the lid and add 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of kasuri methi, now give this a quick mix. Put on the lid and cook on low heat for about 5 minutes until the curry or the gravy thickens slightly. As you can see, the gravy has reduced a bit. Now add 1/4 cup of cream, fresh cream, and give it a good mix. Now it's time to check the seasoning. Taste it and adjust the seasoning according to your palate. I felt the salt is less, so I'm adding it now. Give it a quick mix and yeah, it's done. Switch off the stove. And time for plating. So always add curry or gravy onto the koftas because the koftas are very delicate. So don't add the koftas into the gravy because they will break, they will separate, they will split. Now garnish with some fresh cream and serve it. You can have this paneer kofta or malai kofta with jeera rice, roti, puri, chapati, whatever you want. So do make this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. Take care and see you in my next video.